National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Douglas County, northeastern Moultrie County, southeastern Pike County until 9:45 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hammond and moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atwood, Arthur, Cadwell, Garrett, and Bourbon.